I'm going to be seasoning my snow crab with Cajun two-step, Old Bay seasoning, lemon pepper, and Cajun. Make sure you season it really good, rub it in really good on both sides. This is my first time baking it in an oven, so watch me work, you guys. And I'll be back. Melting some butter, put those same seasonings in the pot. Melt that whole stick of butter and then pour it over your crab. And then I got some rice boiling in the background. That's for another video, so y'all will hear it in my next video. Turn my oven to 400. Mix until it all melts. And I'll be back. I'm back. Look at my crabs. I was just telling y'all how much to put it on. 400. Pour it over your crabs all over. Them crabs look so good, y'all. I really didn't get them in the camera that good. Now I notice that. I'm going to cover my crabs with foil and then put them in the oven and let them cook for a couple hours. And I'll be back. And here's the finishing looks of my crabs. And I made boiled eggs separately. Bye, guys.